Itos ba niyo ako? Red Earth Sword.
Ano? Takbo to, 100%. Yo, they're looking. This one. Look sa atas on the gate. Sa atas on the gate. Okay, wait. Okay, wait.
Eh, naka-BOV pa din pala ako.
Bong. Okay, they're looking, okay?
Oh, may nahuli. Ayos na anong boots na gamit nun.
Ito yung Bind Glory ah.
Uy, pa yun dun.
Yo, Southwest ready. Ditang walk. Catch him. Southeast 5, 4, 3, 2, Southwest now. Def. Holy shit, guys, why did you not def? Come southeast. Guys, don't be scared, please. Come southeast. Ready def. Just hammer. Guys, take space on the north. Clear the mobs.
Right.
Yo, def now. Guys, def! What the fuck are you guys doing? Uy, Silva, namamatay na kami dito. Asan na kayo?
Ayun, food review ba ako?
Guys, can you like be careful, guys, please? Hold. Okay, they're looking. Def on front. 120 seconds. Ang inang yan, friend, daming cheater dito sa Zerg talaga. Hindi attentive. Yo, everything on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Yo, def now. Guys! What the f...
Bakit may namamatay? Pre.
Tang ina nyo?
Uy, ba't namamatay kayo isa-isa? Putang ina.